This is a Flexhaler, which has medicine in the form of a very small powder. You were given this medicine as part of a way to help your breathing. Because you are the most important member of the team that's working to help you breathe better, I want to show you how to get the medicine from this Flexhaler deep into your lungs so it can help you. When it's time to take your medicine, hold the Flexhaler upright with the white part pointing up. Hold the bottom colored part with one hand and twist off the white cover and set it aside. Now I want you to look right here to see what number it's on. If the number is 0, it's out of medicine and you need to get another Flexhaler. If the number is bigger than 0, then you're good to start. Hold the white part in the middle of the Flexhaler and with your other hand twist the colored base in one direction and then in the opposite direction until you hear a click like this. Do not shake the Flexhaler because the powder will spill out. Now it's ready to use. Sit up nice and tall with your head straight. You don't want your head down while taking this because the medicine can't reach deep into your lungs if your head is down. Now hold the Flexhaler away from your mouth. Breathe out all the way. Be sure to never ever blow into the mouthpiece of the Flexhaler because you'll blow the powder out. After you've blown all the air out of your lungs like blowing out a candle, keep your head up, put the Flexhaler in your mouth, close your lips around it like you would a straw. Take in a fast, deep breath through your mouth until you can't breathe in anymore. Looks like this. After you breathe in, take the Flexhaler away from your mouth, close your lips, and hold your breath as long as you can while blinking up to 10 times very slowly or counting to 10 in your head or on your fingers, but not out loud. When you can't hold your breath anymore, then breathe out. After you've breathed out, put the cap back on by twisting and gently pushing down as far as it'll go, which means that it's closed. If your instructions say to take another puff, twist off the white cover again and do everything just like you did before. After you finish, swish water around in your mouth and then spit the water in the sink. Don't swallow it. This will help keep you from getting white stuff in your mouth, which is a fungus called thrush. We don't want any fungus among us. Finally, it's important to keep the Flexhaler dry and never put it in water.